What's up guys, it's 951 Hellcat. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing and installing the best in the business tiller racing seats, carbon fiber seats. These are the V6 Screamer style, and we got some mounting brackets here, the adjusting rails. So today we're going to be replacing the stock seats with these lightweight tiller carbon fiber racing seats. So we're going to start removing and replacing the passenger seat, and then we'll move on to the driver's seat. So let's see what's inside these boxes. All right, let's see what we got here. All right. So this is the stock brackets. These are the solid brackets that goes in from the seat. But I got the ones that are adjustable. And let's see what we got in here. Very nice packaging. Oh man, look at that quality. Wow, nice and shiny. Look at the wave on the carbon fiber. Perfect. So I already weighed one of the seats actually, and I found out this is 13 pounds only. So we're gonna end up weighing the stock seats to see how much they weigh, and we'll tell you guys how much weight we're gonna be saving by removing all the seats and replacing them with these lightweight carbon fiber seats. Okay guys, if I haven't mentioned yet, this is the car we're going to be installing them on. This is the one and only Hellcat. If you guys don't know about it, it's making 1,000 horsepower to the wheels. It is on airbags. It's got the chrome wrap, Liberty Walk, wide body. Again, that's what the seats look like. And let's start taking some of this stuff out and see how much weight we can save. We'll loosen up the 4 bolts first. Got my little tool right here, make it easy. There goes 1 bolt. Like that, all the bolts are gone, and then you lift it up. Once you do that, you unplug these 2 harnesses. Just like that's the first one. These are your airbag harnesses. I'm gonna end up buying these like harnesses that triggers this thing to where you don't get an airbag light on. So I have to buy those pretty soon. So as soon as you do that, the seat is free to go now. And you just get it out. Oh my God, that's so heavy. All right, I got more stuff unboxed over here just so you guys could see. So big thanks to Torque Distribution. They sent me these Universal 2012 Plus Challenger. This is the seat bracket that's gonna line up with the OEM holes. We are going to use the stock bolts with I think a 3/8 ratchet. So we're going to mount this solid in here, but we're not going to do that just yet. Over here, this is the adjustable rails to go back and forth. And these are the brackets that come with the seats. As you guys can see, we're going to have to bolt these on the seat itself. So I'm going to start with the middle hole just to see how the height looks. We're going to have to loosen up these bolts mounted on these brackets that come with the seat itself. And then hook it up to these and just put the seat where it's at, just to see how it's gonna look if we're gonna have to go left or right or up and down. Hey guys, next day here. The seat's still out. We ended up installing it, completing it, and putting it in the car. And we noticed it was sitting a little bit too low. So I'm about 5'11", you know, but found out that I need about 2 inches of more height. We ended up going with the highest holes over here besides that one. That way it's not leaning back too much. Went to Ace Hardware. I got all the right tools. I got the 3-inch bolts with the nuts and the spacers. And it should look like that. After we installed the seat on the adjusting rails and the main bracket. And that's what the spacer looks like. So I'm assuming, you know, that and including the pads I'm going to be getting that are about maybe another 1/2 inch or 1 inch. It should sit perfectly. So, but yeah, that's basically what you need. I went to Ace Hardware. I even ended up getting 2 lug nuts for the seat belts so they can mount on this side. And you cannot install these while the seat is in the car. That's another reason why I took it off. They're gonna mount basically just like that. So yeah, let me put the seat in and show you guys what it looks like. And there it is. This side is all done. Man, these things look beautiful. We got the spacers in here. We use the stock bolts right here to mount it in. Okay, first reaction. Let's see. Oh, actually super comfortable. I like how they designed this. It's got a little groove right here for your spine. When you're sitting in it, it holds you tight. I want to see if the seatbelt works. Look at that. Perfect. Heck yeah. Man. Yep, that's a decent height. And then I'm also getting the padding. I'm assuming another 1/2 inch or 1 inch. Just sit like that, which is good. It gives me a little bit of space for my helmet when I go drag racing. Now let's move to the other side. Here we go. What do you think, Jonathan?
It's awesome.
It's awesome. Hey.
Even for the bigger guys, you know?
Check if the rails are working. Yep. Perfect. All right.
Awesome.
So we were doing some testing with the back seats. Obviously, I'm going to remove them, but for those people that want to keep them in, another benefit of this is, like, this is where I would sit. I still got a little bit of room in the front, and you save so much room. Like, Jonathan is 6'1", and there's plenty of room now. Like, you could fit 5 people in this car. Super comfortable. Okay, seat number 2 time. Alright guys, we finally got this seat done. We used these front holes. On the back we drilled 2 holes. That's the only way to line up with these. I ended up throwing some paint on both of the seats on the outside spacers, so it looks good. Now it's time to remove this driver's seat and take off the seat belt bracket, install it on there, and we'll see the final look. Alright guys, woo! Already got it all disconnected. It's time to get this seat out. See if I can do it. Ah! Oh my god, this is a lot heavier than the passenger. We're about to weigh this thing. Oh my god. Oof. Oh. I'm gonna assume 75 pounds. 75. First test drive. Seats are finally done. This is the point of view. Now they are perfect height with those 2-inch spacers, and we got those airbag light and the seatbelt light on because obviously all the harnesses are disconnected. I know this guy that sells these harnesses that turns off both of those lights, so we'll be getting those soon. Let me park and show you guys what the final look looks like. And there it is. Both seats are in. just like that. Beautiful. All pretty much bolt on after spending $80 in spacers and bolts and nuts and washers. Yep, could be done. Remember guys, I still have these custom diamond stitch padding coming from Tillett. Now there's a lot of space in the back, even though I'm removing the back seats, but for those who want to keep the back seats in, it's doable. There's a lot more space now also. They do go back and forth, but yep, there it is. Passenger side point of view. Also, before I forget, I gotta mention the weight savings. So we ended up saving 42 pounds on this side and 32 pounds on that side. That's a total of about 74, 75 pounds just from the front seats. And you have more room. And by removing the back seats, that's about at least another 45 pounds. So you're looking at 120 pounds. That's how much weight I'm gonna be saving off my daily setup. Might end up getting a rear seat delete. For the harnesses right now, I think I'm gonna wait because my seat belts work just fine. Just like that. You know, they're also more convenient because I drive this car a lot. So it's just your choice. But if you do need harnesses, obviously hit up Torque Distribution. They will supply you with everything you need. The seats, all the brackets, the adjustable rails. They can get you the harnesses, the bars. But yep, huge shout out to Tillett and Torque Distribution. Much love, thank you for watching, and peace out guys.